Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Dollar General, Walmart, and BeautyBay haul. There's not that many items from those places, so I'm just going to do a collective haul today. So first up from Dollar General, picked up this really cute notebook, and I love the floral pattern. This was $1. It's 50 sheets, and it is lined paper, college ruled, and the lines are purple, and it has perforated edges as well. Always have to have notebooks for lists and writing reviews and scripts for videos. And then the next thing I picked up was one of the new planners. And I always change the designs on these every year, so it's $3.50. And this year they had two different ones, and I chose the 70s style one, in my opinion. It says make your own happy, and the planner with stickers, undated, 80 stickers, 16-month planner, weekly and monthly, and I just absolutely love that. One of my favorite things about this is the flower border in here. So that's what the weekly looks like, monthly, and here are the stickers. I've already used one of them. I think this is great. I love these. I've repurchased this planner 3 years in a row now, I believe, and they always change the designs every year. But I like that it's undated and you can fill it in as you go. Walmart is up next. My mom did pick me up a couple items. I'm going to share those first, and then I'll share the item that I picked up. She got me the Jergens Oil Infused Deep Conditioning Shea and Cocoa Butter Blend. And this is their whipped butter blend. This is nice, thick, and creamy, and it smells amazing. I also love the purple packaging. It's 8.5 fluid ounces. And Nail Aid product. It's the Total Cure 9-in-1 100% results, and it has 9 benefits in one bottle, and you get results starting day 1. It claims growth, hardener, strengthener, top coat, base coat, moisturizer, thickener, ridge filler, anti-fade brightener. I'm very curious to see how this works. Cannot wait to try this out and possibly do a review. Recently cut my nails in an almond shape over the squoval. The next item I got, this is a Salon Perfect nail polish, and it's one, and it says to use it under, like, look at it under flash. And this is the one. These are the ultra reflective glitter polishes. My store only had a couple of these, and I grabbed the green one to try, and I'm impressed. I really enjoyed this polish. It's so nice. I've already used that. Got photos. And this is called Dream Gleam, and it's a super highly reflective glitter in here, and when the flash hits it in a certain way, it shines this bright vivid green with yellow. Absolutely stunningly gorgeous. And in the shade, it's beautiful as well. Just like a muted, mossy kind of green in the shade, and it's more vibrant in the light. Also, are a little bit more pricier than the regular Salon Perfect $3 to $4 polishes. These are $6. It's fun to see new things like this make its way into the drugstore, though, at a more affordable price than online indie brands. Last but certainly not least is BeautyBay, and I only got one thing from BeautyBay. BeautyBay Retro Love 20 color palette. This is their newest released eyeshadow palette. $20, and you get 20 shades. It comes with a massive mirror. I always say in my videos, don't sleep on BeautyBay. Like, I am shocked still every time I use them how pigmented and such good quality these eyeshadows are for the price. And BeautyBay always has sales. This is a stunningly beautiful palette. 2 rows of cool tones and 2 rows of warm, and they're stunningly beautiful. This is Another kind of random scalar story, but it works at the same time. You have darker matte shades for your outer corner and your crease, and then you have a bunch of matte shades for transition, shimmery shades for inner corner and lid. You have a matte white for the brow bone highlight as well. These are super pigmented. Gorgeous palette. Highly recommend any of the BeautyBay palettes. Beautiful pastel shades. Stunning shimmers. Highly pigmented mattes. And I did a look today using this shade, this shade, this shade, this shade, highlight. I'm going to link my BeautyBay playlist in the description box as well as the card, so definitely check that out. There'll be other additional links and information in the description box as well. Don't forget to check that out. Hope you enjoyed the haul. I thank you guys so very much for watching, and stay tuned for more videos like these.